Hello, this video especially meant for the finding the area and perimeter of the triangle. Exercise 16.1. Some questions here. Question number 7, if you see, question number 7. The area of an equilateral triangle is 81√3 centimeter square. Area of equilateral triangle. Is equal to 81√3 centimeter square. It is given. You have to find the perimeter. How to find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle? As you know, this is the equilateral triangle, means all the sides are equal, and you have to find the perimeter. What is the perimeter of this triangle? क्या होगा perimeter? Sum of all the sides, means इसमें कितना होगा? AC plus CB. 3A means A all you add. Then area is given. You have to find only the side, that is A. According to question, what is the area of the triangle, equilateral triangle? This is the formula for area. √3/4 A square, and this is equal to 81√3. Now this √3 cancel, and A square is equal to 81 into 4, means if you take the square root of this, so it will be 81 into 4, and this is equal to A is equal to 9 into 2, means 18 centimeter is the side of the triangle. And then after finding the side, you can put here in the perimeter. So you will get the perimeter 3 into 18 is equal to 54 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the triangle. This is the easy question. This was the easy question. Now the next one, in which the ratios are given. If the ratios are given, then also you can find. Like question number 9. In this question, if the lengths of the sides of a triangle in the ratio 3:4:5, means let the sides of triangles are A, B and C सेंटीमीटर रेस्पेक्टिवली. तो इसका जो ये रेशियो दिया गया है साइड्स का, A:B:C is equal to 3:4:5. This is given, and its perimeter is 48. Perimeter is given 48 centimeter. Find the area. तो कैसे निकालेंगे एरिया इसका? How to find the area? First of all, you let the side be, let A is equal to 3K, B is equal to 4K. जब भी रेशियो में दिया जाए तो इस तरह से लेट कर लेंगे तो इजी होगा. And C is equal to 5K. Then according to question, क्योंकि perimeter is given and you know the perimeter is A plus B plus C, so 48 is equal to 3K प्लस 4k प्लस 5k इज इक्वल टू 12k. Rk is equal to 4. After getting 4, you can find the sides A, B, C. So A is equal to 3 into 4 means 12 centimeter. B is equal to 4 into 4, that is 16 centimeter. And C is equal to 5 into 4, that is 20 centimeter. अब ये जो 3 sides दी गई हैं, can you say that these are the sides of the right angle triangle? क्या ये right angle triangle की sides हैं? If these sides are the sides of the right angle triangle, then you can apply the half base into height. Otherwise, you can apply the formula SS minus A, S minus B, S minus C, because all the 3 sides are unequal and given. तो हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला भी अप्लाई कर सकते हैं. लेकिन अगर हमें पता चल जाए कि ये राइट एंगल ट्राइंगल का है तो इजी हो जाएगा. एंड हाउ टू रिकॉग्नाइज दैट हाउ टू this find whether it is the right angle triangle or not. हमने उस दिन बताया था कि how to check the given sides are of right angle triangle or not. क्या बताया था? To check the side square, find the A square, B square and C square. Means 144, 256 and 400. And check whether the sum of these two is equal to the third one. And you can see that A square plus B square is equal to C square. क्योंकि 144 plus 256 is equal to 400, means 400 is equal to 400. So this shows that it satisfies the Pythagoras theorem. अब Pythagoras theorem कोई भी ट्रायंगल अगर सेटिस्फाई करेगा इसका मतलब वो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. तो राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल हम बना सकते हैं, दैट इज A, B and C is the longest one. तो you can write here C. So the half base into height will be area is equal to half base into height, that is A into B. So what is B? You can say take from there. And what is A? So 2 8s and it will be 96 centimeter square. तो अगर हम SS minus A, S minus B का फॉर्मूला लगाते तब भी तुमको यही मिलता 96. But it is easy than that. लेकिन इजी तभी होगा जब हम चेक कर पाएंगे कि क्या ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है. एंड दिस इज द मेथड टू चेक. ये मेथड है. Now next question is question number 11. In this question, given that find the area of an isosceles triangle whose equal sides are 12 centimeter and the perimeter is 30 centimeter. So the one isosceles triangle is given. These two sides are equal. You will let that these two sides are equal and this is the base. So what is its perimeter? Perimeter is 2A, A plus B, means perimeter is 2A plus B. Given the equal side, A is equal to 12 centimeter and P is equal to 30 centimeter. B is not given. So can you find the B? पहले B निकालना पड़ेगा. तो 2 into 12 plus B. means 30 is equal to 24 plus b, or b is equal to 6 centimeter. This is b. After getting b, you find the area. So area of an isosceles triangle is b by 4 under root 4a square minus b square. So this will be 6 by 4 under root 4a square means a is 12, 144 minus b square means 6 6 the 36. So it will be 3 by 2. Multiply this 16 minus 36, so 3 by 2, this is 5 4 0, and then 3 by 2 you can multiply or you can find the value of the 540 inside the square root. या simplify more, तो इसको और भी कर सकते हैं. You can write 9 into 60, and 60 means like this. So it will be 3 by 2 into 3 into 2 into 15 under root. So it will be 9 root 15 centimeter square. This is the area of the isosceles triangle. So first you will find the b unequal length, means base of the triangle, and then after finding the base use this formula, that is area of the isosceles triangle. Next one, question number 16. Question number 16. The perimeter of an isosceles triangle is 40 centimeter. फिर से isosceles triangle है, and this is perimeter is 40 centimeter. So it is A and B. So 2A plus B is equal to 40 centimeter. This is the equation 1. The base is 2/3 of the sum of the equal sides. Base is 2/3. मतलब according to question, base means B is 2/3 of sum of the equal sides, मतलब 2A. So it will be 4A by 3. Now can you find the value of A by putting the B in equation number 1? So putting B in equation 1, so you will get 2A plus 4A by 3 is equal to 40, and then simplify it. So you will get 6A plus 4A, 10A by 3, or A is equal to 12 सेंटीमीटर आफ्टर कैलकुलेशन. अब A जब निकल आया है तो B भी निकल आया ना, तो व्हाट इज B? 4 into 12 by 3 in equation number 2. तो it will be 16. तो B is equal to 16 centimeter. तो A is 12 and B is 16. Then you use the same formula for area. Area is equal to B by 4 under root 4a square minus b square. I put the values of a and b. तो एरिया आएगा b मीन्स 16/4 अंडर रूट a मीन्स 12 मीन्स 4 इंटू 144 माइनस 16 स्क्वायर मीन्स 256. So 4 under root 576 minus 256. So it will be 0, 2, 3. 320 are 4. 16 into 20 you can write this. Then simplify more. So it will be 4. 4 is 16.
एक 4 भागा जाएगा 4 into 4 into 20.
And one more thing, that is 4 और अंडर रूट 20 को भी हम लिख सकते हैं 2 into 2 into 5 like this. And then 16 into 2 means 32 root 5 centimeter square is the answer. तो जितना सिंप्लीफाई हो सके उतना सिंप्लीफाई भी करना है. Thereafter, question number 18. One question, it is asked also in the class. So this question 18. The area of the triangular field is 3 times the base of a triangular field is 3 times its height. मतलब base है और triangular field है. The base is given and height is given. The base is 3 times its height. मतलब कि अगर height हमने h ली तो what will be the base? The base will be 3h because base is given 3 times of its height. It is given in the question. So let the height be h. So base will be 3h. It is centimeter. मीटर में ये ट्रायंगुलर फील्ड है तो इट विल बी इन मीटर. तो मीटर. And the cost of cultivating the field is the rate at the rate of ₹25 per 100 meter square. मतलब जो फील्ड है ये इसको कल्टीवेट करने के लिए कल्टीवेटिंग के लिए 100 मीटर स्क्वायर जब कल्टीवेट होता है तो उसकी कॉस्ट है ₹25. 100 मीटर स्क्वायर. The cost of cultivating the field per 100 meter square is ₹25. This is the cost. मतलब 100 meter square की cost है ₹25 and the total cost also given. Total cost is ₹60,000. इसी रेट से इसको the same rate at the same rate मतलब फील्ड बहुत बड़ी है. there is a big field and the cultivation charge है वो ₹60,000 लग रहा है. टोटल ₹60,000. तो what is the base and what is the height of the field? That is asking. तो सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना होगा? एरिया निकालो. तो एरिया is equal to half base into height. So it will be 1 by 2 into 3h into h. So 3 by 2 h square. This is in मीटर स्क्वायर, क्योंकि मीटर में हाइट और बेस दिया गया है तो मीटर स्क्वायर में आएगा.
हेलो
हेलो.
हेलो
हाँ
सब वीडियो नहीं आ रही.
ओके. So just area is equal to, so area 3 by 2 h square meter square. In meter square, and this the cost of cultivating per 100 meter square is rupees 25. It is given. It means you find the cost of 1 meter square. तो पहले तो हम कास्ट ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर फील्ड निकालेंगे. तो वो कितनी होगी? कास्ट ऑफ 100 मीटर स्क्वायर इज रुपीज 25. तो कास्ट ऑफ कल्टीवेशन लिखना है यहाँ पे. कास्ट ऑफ कल्टीवेशन ऑफ 1 मीटर स्क्वायर rupees 25 by 100 means rupees 1 upon 4. This is the cost of 1 meter square. 100 meter square की कॉस्ट रुपीज 25 है, तो 1 मीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट हमारी 1 by 4 रुपीज है. बट टोटल कितना एरिया है हमारे पास में? 3 by 2 h स्क्वायर मीटर. तो इसकी कॉस्ट निकाल लो. कॉस्ट ऑफ कल्टीवेशन of 3 by 2 h square meter square is multiply these two. So 1 by 4 into 3 by 2 h square. This is the total cost. और total cost यहाँ पे भी दी गई है 60,000 के बराबर, यानी कि this total cost is equal to rupees 60,000. So you can write here 3 by 8 h square is equal to, according to question, 60,000. So it will be 60,000 into 8 by 3, and then h square is equal to 16. 3 2s are 6, 4 0. Means this is the value of h square. So what will be the h? 400 means the height of the triangle. Take square root. Height of the triangle is 400 meters. So what is the base? Base is equal to कितना था? 3 into its
400 into 3.
तो 3 into 400 is equal to 1200 meter. This is the base of the एक क्वेश्चन और है इसमें, बाकी इजी है वो क्वेश्चन, बट यू कैन डू. 21 फिगर इज गिवन. The two triangles are given and the shaded part is this. You have to find ABC is an equilateral triangle. This is the equilateral triangle. Means AB is equal to BC is equal to CA. It is given. with each side length 10 centimeter. This is equal to 10 centimeter. Angle D 90 degree. CD is equal to 6 centimeter. This is D. And CD is 6 centimeter. This is 10 centimeter. This is 6 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region. Find. एक क्वेश्चन इसमें और ऐड किए दे रहे हैं हम. पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया ऑफ शेडेड रीजन या पार्ट. दिस. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट यू विल फाइंड?
Area of ABC and area of DBC.
Area of DBC you can find when you get this one BD. So BD, can you find the BD? In triangle BCD, can you find the BD? BD square plus DC square is equal to BC square. Why? Because
Pythagoras.
by the Pythagoras theorem and angle D is 90 degree. क्यों ले रहे हैं? क्योंकि एंगल D 90 डिग्री. समझे? अब इसमें वैल्यू रख दो तो BD स्क्वायर निकल आएगा. 6 स्क्वायर मींस 36, BC मींस 10 स्क्वायर मींस 100. So what will be the BD? 100 minus 36 are BD square. तो BD square is equal to 64. तो BD is equal to 8 centimeter. This is 8. First of all, you have to find the sides. तो ये साइड तो निकल आई. Now you have to find the perimeter. पहले perimeter निकालना है. Perimeter of the shaded part. Shaded part. As I said, the perimeter means the sum of lengths of the boundaries जो टच होती है. मतलब कि अगर हम ये कहें कि शेडेड पार्ट है तो शेडेड पार्ट कहाँ कहाँ टच हो रहा है. शेडेड पार्ट हमारा इस बाउंड्री पे टच हो रहा है, इस बाउंड्री पे टच हो रहा है, इस बाउंड्री पे टच हो रहा है, एंड देन दिस बाउंड्री, नॉट इंक्लूडिंग दिस बाउंड्री. इस पे नहीं टच हो रहा है तो यू विल नॉट टेक दिस पार्ट. सो विच वन? AB, BD, BC and AC. These four sides you will add. जो जो टच हो रहे हैं शेडेड पार्ट बस उन्हीं को लेना है. तो AB कितना है? 10 है, BD 8, CD 6, फिर 10. So it will be 34 centimeter. This is the perimeter. And area of the shaded part. As you can see, if you find the area of the ABC and subtract the area of this part, you will get the area of the shaded part. तो सबसे पहले इसमें लिखना है area of shaded part is equal to area of triangle ABC minus area of triangle BDC and BCD. अब इसका एरिया क्या होता है? √3/4 A स्क्वायर, मतलब साइड स्क्वायर, इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल है इसलिए, माइनस हाफ बेस इनटू हाइट. एंड बेस ये और हाइट ये, कोई भी चीज ले सकते हो. बेस हाइट ये हाइपोटेन्यूज हो जाएगी. तो BD इनटू DC. So what it will be? √3/4 into 10 square, because 10 is the side, 100 minus 1/2 BD 8 into 6. 4 25 is the, so 25 √3 minus 24 centimeter square. Put the value of √3 1.732. अब √3 की वैल्यू पुट कर दें तो एरिया निकल आएगा 25 into 1.732 minus 24. and multiply this. (43.3 minus 24) and this is equal to 19.3 centimeter square. So this is the way to find the area and perimeter of the triangle. In the next video I will tell you the other things also about the mensuration. Thank you.